video was sponsored by RESTREAM. Today we're talking about streaming live on multiple platforms at once. You're going to want to check out a tool called RESTREAM.io if you haven't already. So without further ado, let's get that intro started. So if you're thinking about live streaming on different platforms all at once to save you a whole bunch of time and editing, I definitely recommend using RESTREAM.io. I use it personally and it's been working really great for me. You can stream to either Twitch, Facebook, YouTube really quickly, all with a click of a button. And I'm going to jump right in and show you exactly what it looks like inside. So as you can see here, I've already added a few channels of my own. I've added my YouTube channel, my Facebook personal profile. I've added a group from Facebook that I manage. And I've also added my LinkedIn personal profile as well. So one thing that you probably want to take note of is that when you try to stream live using RESTREAM.io with LinkedIn, you actually have to apply to be a live streamer. They don't let you do that automatically. So as you can see here, when you link up your account, it will ask you to apply. One of the neat things that you can do in RESTREAM.io is actually go into the Enter Live Studio function. When you come into the Live Studio, you're going to come to a screen that looks just like this. What you want to do is click on the settings for starters and make sure that you press on the webcam that you want to use. I myself am using the Cam Link and I'm using my AT2020, which is the Audio Technica compressor mic. Once you have that going, you can either mute here, you can turn off or on your video, you can share a screen, which I have loaded up, preloaded right here. And when you're ready to share these slides, you would open up in PowerPoint and you would press on this button right here. And voila, there you go. You can go and scroll through the slides just like you normally would. You also have the option of using a different split screen. You can make it full screen so it stretches all the way out to the corners, or you can create it so it goes like this and you can see all the contents within the PowerPoint slides and the live streaming video that you're using right now. Pro tip, don't do the mistake I did, guys. What I did was I turned off this particular one here and tried to play these slides all while talking. But the truth be told is the audio does not go through the live stream if that particular window is turned off. So what you want to do is make sure they're both turned on. You can press this button to minimize yourself into the corner, just like that. And you can kind of see this little screen there and make sure that this feed is reading green so that you know that the live stream is picking up the audio that you want to show your audience. Other cool features is that you have a chat box. Anybody that is going to be talking to you during this live stream on LinkedIn, Facebook, or YouTube, they can just chat right here. You can actually pick which group or which platform you want to respond to. Another feature that is really cool is that you can add captions. I've preloaded this one here. As you can see, you want to follow me on Instagram, Coach Alex Lin. And you can just hide it like that. You can add your own just by adding your primary text and your secondary text right here. What's even cooler is they have graphics that kind of look like this. When you're ready to reveal and have a little bit of a countdown before your live stream, you can use any one of these preset ones and it'll look something like this. And if you're ready to take it off and say you pressed it by accident, you just click it again and you come straight back to the live stream. It's really neat. I always like that little feature. You can add backgrounds, which will show up if you turn off all of your feeds. And you can also add the participant names. As you can see, you can put your own name there and you can change the primary color on the back to match your aesthetics. And finally, what you want to do is set up a compelling title. Use that copy skills that you have already, punch it in there. And for example, what I learned from my first live stream, everything you need to get started on stream. I can't type today. There. And once you click update on all, it'll push to all the destinations that you've listed in the below. Also, they have a private chat function. So in case you don't want to send messages to everybody that is in the chat rooms, you can click on here and you can private chat with the person that you're live streaming with. One of the cool features is that you can send a link directly to your guest or whoever it is that you're trying to live stream with, and they can just click it instead of downloading the program, and they'll come up just like the way it is showing right now. So as you can see, once you're done your live streaming, you can go to the tab here, which is the recordings, and you can download them. You can download audio only to actually, if you wanted to upload to a podcast maybe, and you can play back the video just like this. For those of you who are watching, thank you for joining us, and I will see you guys.
What a handsome guy, right?
Episode. Have a great day, guys. One thing to note is there is a recording limitation. Recordings are stored only for 15 days on personal plans and 30 days on company plans. So make sure you download that before it is gone forever. When you're ready to create an event, you're going to be able to click on this particular button right here, and you can add a nice title, a compelling description, add the dates that you are going to be hosting or when you're going to be hosting your live stream, and add a nice compelling thumbnail so that people want to click on it. Before you upload, make sure that your thumbnails are set to the 1280 by 720 dimensions to maximize the real estate on the computer screens or on the platforms that you're going to be publishing your live stream to. One pro tip that I would give you before live streaming is make sure that you create a pre-scheduled live stream. You want to make sure that people know about it so they can join you. So maybe if you're going to be streaming on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, wherever it may be, make sure you notify everybody by creating an event on those platforms as well. And if you have an email list, make sure you send it to your people too. I'm sure they would love to hear what you have to say, and if they don't make it, you can actually send them the recordings at a future date so that they don't miss out on anything at all. So there you have it, guys, everything you need to know about RESTREAM.io. If this video was helpful and you're planning on streaming, or maybe you're streaming already, please put your links in the comment section below so that we can all share, check it out, and maybe learn from your experiences too. If you found this video interesting or helpful, please hit that like button because it kind of helps when it's on that YouTube platform. It'll help others find the video so that they can learn just like you did. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any of my videos. And as always, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Later.